ASVAB Assembling Objects. Complete 2026. AO Section. Spatial Reasoning. 16 questions in 15 minutes on CAD ASVAB. Tests ability to visualize how parts fit together or how objects appear after rotation. For example, required for specific technical jobs requiring 3D visualization. 2 question types. Connectors match labeled points between two shapes. Puzzles identify assembled shape from pieces. Connector questions. Strategy. Look at where labeled points, A, B, etc., sit on each shape. Find answer choice where same points connect on same edges. For example, if A connects on flat edge and B on rounded edge in question, find same in answer. Puzzle questions. Strategy. Count pieces in question shapes. Look at unique features, curves, angles. Find answer showing all pieces correctly assembled. For example, triangle plus square in question must appear in answer choice, possibly rotated. Visualization techniques. 1. Mentally rotate shapes 90 or 180 degrees. 2. Look at distinctive features, corners, curves. 3. Count edges or sides. 4. Note relative size of pieces. 5. Eliminate options missing pieces. Common trick answers. Watch out. Mirror images look correct but are flipped. Pieces in wrong proportions. Missing piece. Extra piece. Pieces rotated wrong direction. For example, letter F in answer choice rotated incorrectly creates mirror image, common trap. Practice strategy. 1. Use mental rotation apps daily. 2. Practice with tangrams. 3. Time yourself for speed. 4. Note which questions you miss. 5. Look for patterns in errors. Connector specifics. Edge matching. Curved edge to curved edge. Straight to straight. Notch to notch. Labels AZ mark connection points, they must align in answer. For example, triangle with A on hypotenuse must connect to shape with A on equal length straight edge. Time management. Quick pace. Less than 1 minute per question average. If stuck after 30 seconds, eliminate obvious wrong, guess best remaining, move on. Cannot return in CAT version. For example, cannot decide between two, pick one and move on. Statistically better than blank. What to look for first. 1. Unusual shape, curve, angle, find in answers. 2. Same piece count between question and answer. 3. Same labeled points present. 4. Connection orientations match. 5. Eliminate obvious wrong answers. Mental rotation practice. Build skill. Mental rotation can be improved with practice. Use cube rotation apps. Look at 3D objects from different angles. Notice how shapes look from each side. For example, pyramid, how does it look from top? Square. From side? Triangle. Build that visualization. Importance for jobs. Required for AO score important for mechanical, drafting, electronics jobs where workers must visualize 3D assemblies from 2D drawings. For example, aircraft mechanic reads engineering diagrams to assemble parts in correct orientation. Test day tips. Don't second guess after picking answer. Trust visual intuition. Move quickly. Mirror images and rotated wrong direction are most common wrong answers, watch for these.